Good day, guys. Today we are going to make a calibration, or we are going to check our set beam on 6 dB drop. So sometimes we need to size, or after scanning using our shear wave probe, we need to size the defects or reflectors. So what we normally do, we need to know how to do this 6 dB drop to understand how to size it. Now, using my 0-degree probe, using my 0-degree probe, I'll try to show you how does it work. Now you can see that this is my material is 25 mm. So you can see that here it's showing me 25 mm, which is 25.9, which is approximately 25.1. Still is 25. So what we are going to do now, let me reduce this gate. The weight is a little bit high. Okay, what we are going to do now, though don't worry, this is the range. You can make it to, since it is 25, let's see, let me make it into our range. Let me make it 100 so it will look nice and cool. Let me come back to my gate. Let me reduce my gate. Okay, now let's increase our amplitude to be 80%. Let me come to dB again. Okay, so now let's try to get that 80%. Okay, so you can see now my amplitude is 80% and my thickness is 3 mm or 25 mm. So at this moment you can see that my gain is 53.9. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but you can check your right hand side of your machine. You see the gain. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 2 dB. So adding that 2 dB, I'm expecting my percentage to be 101. If everything is correct, this is like a checking point. I will try to do it. If it works, then that's me. My calibration have been set. And in case if you do not know how to calibrate, I have made a video on how to calibrate your 0-degree probe using different methods. I use echo to echo, just using zero value. I have 3 different videos, so you can watch and understand how to calibrate your 0-degree. So let's get back to our video. So now let me press my dB again. Let me increase it. Since it is 53, I'll make it to be 55.9. Let's see what will happen when it is 55.9. Okay, 55.9. You can see it's 100. It's showing 100 and it's fluctuating between that 100 and 101, and the range is okay. So that's me. Okay. You can see it's 100. The one is fluctuating, so that's mean it's 101, though it's changing 100 and 101. So that's mean everything's alright. So now, since we already now know that before it is 53, again before it's 53.9, we added to making it 55.9. Depending what your gain give you. After what your gain you got from your gain, you add 2 together, 101. So now let's reduce 2 from this gain, and we're expecting our amplitude percentage to come back to that 80. Okay, now we're having 55.9. Let's reduce to 53.9. Okay, now 53.9. Okay, you can see that it is that 79. Okay, actually here is giving us 59. You remember there it was giving us 100. It's fluctuating, so that's why if to say there it give us 101, here it will give us 80, because I kind of check my probe. I kind of check my probe. Now let's make it to be 80% exact. Okay, these are 80%. Let's do it again. Now we're having 54.1. Let's add 2 dB. 54, 56.1, 56. You can see now we are getting that 101. It's still fluctuating, so but it's around the range. So let's come back to our, let's move to 54.1. Okay, now after we put that 54.1, now let's start our 6 dB drop. Now we are going to remove 6 dB from this 44, from this 54. If you remove 6 from 54, we're having 42.1. Okay, let's remove 6, 42.